Dude, it's way better, honestly. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Way better.
Alright, Bond Performance here, GTI Jake on the forums. This is Alex. We just installed a Vibrant 17930 2.5 inch stainless steel resonator in his stock catback with the CTS catless downpipe. We're gonna go grab his first impressions with road noise and drone.
Oh my gosh, it's so much better. There's none of that annoying drone.
Alright, why don't you take it up to like 65, 70 where it normally starts to get like annoying with a load on it. Like right there at 3,000 RPM when you're accelerating.
It would have been bad.
You get that like ringing in your ears, uncomfortable frequency, that nasty drone. So it's, other than just a little bit of added noise, it's pretty much back to stock.
That is awesome.
So for about 200 bucks parts and labor, making a catless downpipe livable for daily driving, no drone.
Yep.
Alex is happy, I'm happy.
Absolutely.
2017 GTI, stock tune right now. That's why he's got the check engine light for cat efficiency. But catless downpipe, stock catback with the Vibrant 17930 resonator.